What is up, guys? Doing a little bit of taping today. I got this project. Both sides got some cracks that have been filled.
Still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. 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 She want me to play with that cat.
So this is pretty much ready to spray. I gotta run. Grab a little bit of tint for this. And then I got this other one.
Somebody's getting paid and free big slime out the cage. And Shorty tried to play it cool, but
Swim platform. This swim platform here, just got a couple little drips from the hole. Yeah, I'm gonna spray those, and those are ready.